Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the vlog. This is Emily with ENC. I just wanted to hop on and make a really quick video today. This weekend we have a big weekend coming up. It is our harvest weekend for our chickens. Most of them are ready, but not all of them are ready. So we're looking at somewhere around probably 80 to 100 of them. And we're gonna start on Saturday pretty early in the morning, and then hopefully Corey and I will be able to finish the rest on our own the next weekend. Hi, Feeny girl. I also wanted to jump on and show you guys our new and final farm animal. She's beautiful. She is trained by others of her kind, and there's a funny story about her name that I'll tell you guys in a minute. But here is Ivy. Hey girl. She is our livestock guardian dog, and she has been trained by other livestock guardian dogs, which is amazing. We've had Pyrenees before. However, they ended up being treated a little bit more like pets, and then he was very determined to get out. He just had chickens, and that's not what they're really, that's not really what they're made for. So I'm just letting Finny eat this morning. I'm gonna check some of the waters and change them out. So Ivy has been getting used to she's been getting used to our goats. Our little goats are not they're not quite as interested in her. They're actually kind of a little afraid of her, but she's very mellow, and she's very in love with Finny, who is really the main reason that we wanted to get her. Our meat goats, our meat goat mamas. No, Ginger. Oh, no. Okay, well, we'll just put you through to the other fence then. Okay. Oh, the goats are in. Ginger, come on. Come on. No. Come on. See, well, since your sister got in, come on. Come on, Gracie. All right, come on, girl. All right, and now Ivy's mad at me because I took all of her goats away. So let's give her Finny back. Come on, Finny. All right. No, Ivy. Okay, so as you can see, Ivy's adorable, and she loves Finny. And Finny isn't honestly quite sure about her. So the story on her name, we have been planning to get a Pyrenees for the last couple of months. We've known that we need that for our goats. We need somebody to guard them. So we settled on the name Ivy, and we wanted it to be a plant name, and we went through all of the names of like Rosie and Willow and some of the different flowers that we like but didn't really seem like a dog name. So my sister threw out the idea Ivy, and we really both liked it. Well, the family that we bought Ivy from registers all the dogs, and they said that they didn't name them on the paperwork because they wanted to make sure that the families that got them named them on their own. And So we get there and they had names picked out. I'm sure you can see where this is going. They had names picked out that they called them, but obviously didn't have them on paper. So one of their kids called to the dogs and she said, Ivy, Rosie. What? You already named one of them Ivy. Which one is that? And so it's funny because she's actually the one that we were kind of going towards anyways. Like, well, it must have been meant to be, because if her name was Ivy and we were going to name her Ivy, then Ivy just needs to be what it is. So funny how that works out. We got our Ivy, and that's the story of her name. Say hi. All right, so these guys are the broilers that we're going to be harvesting this weekend, and we've got this ×3. You can see there's another tractor right back there, and then there's one back in the other field, and we have about 120. So as big as some of them are getting, we probably should have killed a few of them last weekend, but we really didn't know that because this is our first time doing this, so we're learning. But some of these guys are getting a little too big. Their legs are only able to hold up so much weight. So this weekend we're gonna harvest all of the ones that are ready, and then next weekend, like I said, Corey and I will probably take care of whatever is left. It probably won't be that many because this weekend's probably gonna be somewhere between 80 and 100. And then you guys will watch that video with us. So I just wanted to show you guys all of that, and I appreciate you coming along on the journey with us. Until next time, God bless you. Thank you so much for watching.